Just a little bit about my story about how God delivered me from alcohol. It was back in 2014. Felt like I lost all kinds of purpose. I lost meaning in life. I lost my confidence. It was to the point to where I couldn't even change a tire out on a car or anything like that. I was desperate in help. I hit it all. It was a moment when I woke up, I desired to want to drink in the morning. And I realized then I was alcoholic. I had the void in my heart, and I couldn't get rid of that void in my heart until I met him. And then that's when I found John 3:16 Ministries. It's a spiritual boot camp for men with drug and alcohol addiction, and I found life again only through Jesus Christ. And since then, my life has changed tremendously just through the power of Him. And it's just one thing that's God revealed to me in four simple ways. It's never too late. God chose me. I didn't choose Him, but He chose me, and I get to choose, and I don't have to live that way anymore. And that's given me such a peace knowing that He's always faithful. He'll never leave you. He'll never forsake you in the battle of trouble. And He's just given me that peace and comfort and that desire just to know that I do have a purpose now. God still has a plan for my life. Even though I screwed up back then, even though I chose to do wrong, He still had a plan for my life. We pray that you experience God's peace this season. Merry Christmas from Lakeview Assembly.